These west winds across the water are all we need, love, in our hearts. This ocean is our dance floor, so follow me down to the seaside. These changing currents and rising tides, I know they'll be there by my side. And these changing currents and winter's days, I hold on to them like the waves. These west winds across the water.
Alright, check this out. Get a load of this. This is where we are this weekend.
These west winds across the water lead us to the ocean and away from the dark. These changing currents and rising tides, I know they'll be there by my side.
How epic is this going to be? Teewah, here we come. Get amongst it.
Changing currents and rising tides, I know they'll be there by my side. And these changing currents and winter's days, I hold on to them like the waves. I know they'll be there by my side. And these changing currents and winter's days, I hold on to them like the waves. And these changing currents and rising tides, I know they'll be there by my side. And these changing currents and winter's days.
G'day guys, how you going? Well, we've just gotten off the beach. We only stayed one night at Teewah. Today, from about lunchtime onwards, was absolutely, was absolutely blowing a gale, and we kind of had enough. So we're going to cut our losses and head off. But I've been told by my beautiful wife that, and it's probably true, you know. Sorry, I'm just doing the tyres as we go. Here we go. Yeah, just trying to do tyres as well. So, my beautiful wife has told me that I have a habit of not giving information to all you guys, which is well, half the reason why I probably watch YouTube videos like I do, for information. So if you're coming in from Noosa, you'll catch the ferry over. Now for us with the car and the camper, it was 17 bucks. That's one way, so it's going to cost us another 17 bucks to get back. Once you're off the ferry, follow it all the way in, follow the road all the way in to the third cutting. Oh yeah, so once you get off the ferry, you'll follow the road all the way down, follow the signs that say to the third cutting. That's the beach entry you need to get onto to jump on and get to the campsites. That's the beach sites that we're at. So from there, the speed limit is 50 k's an hour. until it turns to 80. So it does go from 50 to 80, and then at the campsite section, back to 50k an hour again. Just be mindful. There's lots of people there. It is quite a busy place. So I wouldn't go there during the school holidays or anything like that. But you can only go when you can go, right? So if school holidays is it, but you'll need to book, because definitely looks like it would book out pretty quick. And for those that didn't know, like myself, you can't just camp anywhere. They've zoned now, so they've got 7 zones. So they've divided up the camping area into 7 zones. Don't know how many camps are in each zone, but from 1 right through to 7, you'll actually hit from the Noosa end heading up to kind of the Fraser side, so the northern end. You'll end up starting at 7 and working your way back to 1. I don't know why they've done it that way, but that's how they've done it. So yeah, Teewah, absolutely beautiful place. The water is crystal clear, absolute mint conditions apart from the wind. But you can't win them all. And if that's my only complaint, then really, is it really a problem? No. So, because we didn't do a lot this trip, what we're going to do is merge this trip into our next one, which will be Cotton Tree. Okay, so we're going to head over to Cotton Tree. I'll do some filming over there for you, to give you a rundown. And yeah, until then, until I see you over at Cotton Tree, enjoy. See you guys. Welcome to Cotton Tree. Check out how close we are to the beach. Now this campsite that we've got is absolutely massive. It's huge. But yeah, check out how close we are to the beach. Just right there. That's it. How cool is that?
Where you rather be, soaking up the sun by the sea.
Alright, so we're staying here for 2 nights, and it's 142 bucks for 5 of us for 2 nights, which, yeah, it's not free camping, but it's not too bad either, especially when you got that back there. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Right, I'll give you another look how big these sites are. Now our site is from this pole, that pole there, right, all the way along, just on the other side of the car here, to this pole. It's a bloody big site, eh? Massive site. So anyway, we're off for lunch now. Where are we going for lunch? What's it called?
Waterview Hotel.
There you go. Waterview Hotel. Here we come. Oh, pretty sure.
Waterfront Hotel.
Waterfront Hotel.
Yeah.
Waterfront Hotel. Here we come.
So Sweat swims across the water. All we need love in our hearts. This ocean is our dance floor.
Rightio, so this is the park we're staying at, just over there. And we've just come back from the market. So if you're into Sunday markets, what are you looking at, Am? So yeah, if you're into Sunday markets and all that, come and have a squiz and support the local community. We're just heading back now. Probably going for a swim again. Can't get enough of it. All right, it's pack up time. I've had my coffee, so I'm all good to go. Well, not really good to go, not when you've got a view like that, honestly. Yeah, really don't want to go, but anyway. So my thoughts on this campsite. Well, it was 140, I think it was 142 bucks for 5 of us for 2 nights. We did stay an extra night, so that was 70 bucks for the extra night. If you're traveling Australia, it's definitely not the type of campsites you probably want to go to, but maybe a night here or there. It's absolutely fantastic if you can bag a spot like we did. Ours was a powered site, really close to the beach, not waterfront because the waterfronts are further down, but still nonetheless absolutely fantastic. No wind because we've got the trees, they were blocking the camper, which was great. Been absolutely fantastic couple of days, but unfortunately it's our time to go. So, packing up, head back, move on to the next one. Rightio, until then, enjoy.
These changing cars.